Hello, I'm happy to announce that we have build number 62 released. You can find this by going to the settings, help about, and you'll see these this last number here after the plus sign. This means that you have build number 62 if it says 62. One of the things that you'll need to do is, within the past few days, the Digital Pāḷi Dictionary was released. After we had done this release, it's been released for about 2 weeks now, and it's only being announced now, but it was behind. And you can just go here and click on it through the extensions, and then Digital Pāḷi Dictionary. He was on retreat. Venerable Bodhirasa was on retreat for 3 months, and on schedule he released, but it was well after our release. So that's why we do have the extensions. That's another reason why we do not install old, already downloaded extensions, is because we don't want to install old extensions when we've released newer ones, or if we have an update which already includes them, we don't want to include those as well, because it will put you back out of date instead of up to date. So please read the dates carefully. The other thing that is new is we will have the MAT button. You'll probably like that very much. And what you can do is, first let's go to a sutta, and you can type here now. And you can search for Anapana. So we have the Anapanasati Sutta. We can go to the commentary, and we can get the Anapana Suttavana. So that's some other things. We've also smoothed out a lot of the bugs. A lot of times, if there was no commentary for that particular paragraph, we would say nothing is found, but now we sort of jump through a few numbers before we actually tell you nothing was found. Sometimes the commentaries don't have a commentary for every single paragraph, but it seemed like a bug, so we've fixed that. We've mostly fixed a bunch of bugs in this release. You'll find that it's more stable than the other releases. You'll find that the setup and the extensions are a lot faster, a lot smoother, a lot more, you get a little bit more feedback. That's been worked on. There's been quite a few things. The Pāli script, when you change the script, it changes automatically. That's good. So the other thing that you might notice, what might seem major is not really so major. We have new themes, and we're using this Material 3 theming, which is now mandatory from Google, as far as I know, and we can turn that back off if you want. We're still using Material 3, but we give it that old look and feel. This is the original color here. Of course, we have the dark, and we have the white, and the middle sort of grays out the page number a little bit, or it mimics the theme color. And we have a script converter. The another thing we put in last minute was a bookmark export. So see this little disk here? You should be able to export your bookmarks. And then you can import them if you want. I forget where I had those. I guess I probably deleted them. So let's let's add a bookmark. Here is a bookmark for the video. Let's save it and go back to bookmarks, and so we have a little note here. We have another test one. We can delete that if we want, and we can export the bookmarks, and we'll go to desktop, we'll hit OK. Now we'll go to import bookmarks, and we'll go to desktop, and we'll see bookmarks, and it was just written, and here we get our thing. So actually let's delete everything, because it'll just blindly add them. So let's go import, and we'll go to desktop, whoops, go to desktop, and we'll get our two files here. So that's useful before people were afraid that they would lose their bookmarks. So this is one method. Later we're going to have, actually it's already implemented but not released, is a way to do this with the cloud, so you can transfer easily between devices. And of course we have the same with the Android and iOS and Mac and Linux. We're now on FlatHub. I'm not sure if we're going to have that as our main release, but we have AppImage and we have FlatHub. And you'll notice that the Material 3 looks best on a mobile app. It looks best. Don't forget that you can change the way your pages behaves. This has continuous scroll, and this is just one page at a time, and then you have to swipe and go like that. And so you get that nice little stretchy, little bouncy thing with the new Material 3. And people will like that a lot. So I'm just trying to think if there's anything really new. We have one more thing. I don't know if I said this already. We have this disable valueless input. So if you have a special keyboard that can interfere with typing, then we won't automatically change the characters for you. For like if you type AA, and to make long A, it won't it won't do anything, and we'll let your keyboard do that automatically for you. It's very important for our Sinhala friends who have these special third-party keyboards, aftermarket keyboards that type Sinhala based on the English letters. And that's pretty much it. If you want to rate an app, you can rate an app. You can actually Linux doesn't have a rating app system, but if you go here, if you want to give a review, you can give a review here, rate this app, and you can also report issues, and you can create a new issue, and it'll ask you for a bug report and a feature request. Only one bug at a time, only one feature at a time. Don't give us 3 features all at once. Make each one file. And what else? So you can go to the YouTube channel, you can get to this video here, and you can go to the original web page, which is loading now. And so we have all the releases, and you'll see it says Build 62 is released. It was released November 20th. Digital Pāli Dictionary was released on the full moon of November, so that's why there's a little bit of out-of-date thing. I hope that you can share this with your friends. Most people, once they start using this app, they don't want to use anything else because it works the way it should. It's quick, it's offline, it has a proper UI interface, and that was the goal. So we're very pleased with this release and what it does, and I hope that you can use this to use the proper research and to read the Pāli, the Theravada teachings, which includes all three baskets, the Vinaya, the Dhamma, and the suttas and the Abhidhamma, all three baskets with the commentary explanations and also the sub-commentary explanations, so that you can use this to learn the Dhamma, to experience the Dhamma, and to attain Nibbana safely and quickly. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.